Hi, I'm Susie Bridges, and I'm going to be delivering a Gallery Teachers Masterclass in word and sentence stress. So you need to attend this session if you want to help your students be able to understand rapid native speaker speech and also be able to produce language in a more natural and fluent kind of way. So the workshop's going to cover exactly what word stress is and look at different ways that we can show word stress and some tasks that we can give students to do to help them be able to recognize word stress, including my patented Mexican way. So definitely come and watch that. And also think about how word stress fits into sentence stress and how your learners need to know the importance of intonation, because the way that we say things in the UK is sometimes just as important, or maybe even more so, than what we're actually saying. So there's some activities on sentence stress and intonation, which are going to really help and support your students when they're dealing with native speakers' natural conversation. So really hope that you'll come and join this workshop and get engaged in the Q&A afterwards.